What's up guys, Chigs here from Chigs Tech Reviews. Look what's landed on my desk. The Google Pixel 4 people, and this one is the Oh So Orange color. So this is going to be my unboxing and first look at the beautiful looking Google Pixel in Oh So Orange. So let's get cracking. So here is the phone. Very familiar Google experience, and the Oh So Orange is not as orange as I thought it's going to be. It looks more like a pink. It looks more like an orangey pink color. Very unique, and I do like it. Let's put the phone on the side and keep going. So we've got our paperwork and SIM eject tool. Straightforward stuff. What else do we have in the box? USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable. A USB Type-C to USB-A adapter, so that's going to be very useful for file transfers. Awesome. So here is the UK USB-C adapter. It's an 18-watt fast charger and it's included in the box. And last but certainly not least, the smartphone itself. So here it is guys, Pixel 4. Oh So Orange is more like Oh So Pinky Orange. Now it's got a very nice texture to this. It's a beautiful texture. It feels really nice. Now it is a glass back, but the texture is unique. I'm describing it as almost like a rubber or a matte feel. It doesn't leave any fingerprints at all. So very nice design. In fact, I am going to pull out my iPhone 11, which has a matte finish. And if we just compare it briefly, you can see the cameras are in a similar position, but the Google Pixel only has a dual camera setup, whereas the iPhone has a triple camera setup. But I'm definitely liking the finish on the Google Pixel 4. Now on the front we have a 5.7 inch 90Hz display, and if we have a look at the bezels, you've got slight bezels on each side, a chin and a rather large forehead, but there's no notch. But you do have your front facing camera and a speaker, and you've got another speaker at the bottom, so this does have stereo speakers. Now at the bottom of the device we have a single microphone, USB Type-C port and a single speaker. On the side we have a volume rocker and a pink power button. And at the top of the smartphone, we have a single microphone and a single speaker just above. And on this side, we have a single nano SIM card tray, and there is no additional MicroSD card expansion. So we're going to do a quick sound test to check out the stereo speakers. Now, my first impressions on the sound quality, I have to say the sound quality is absolutely outstanding. The stereo speakers are crystal clear and you've got a very nice loud volume to go with it. Now on the back we have a dual camera setup, a 12 megapixel main camera with a 16 megapixel telephoto. Now it is interesting to note that Google opted for a dual camera setup this time, so they have upgraded themselves from the single to the dual cameras. So quick look at the camera app, you can do 4K at 30 frames per second with the rear camera. And the front facing camera can do 1080p max. We have video stabilization, but of course I look forward to taking this out for a proper camera spin to find out what it can do. So we've got night sight, portrait, camera, video and more, and here are your more options. And we all know Google's secret, it's all about software processing than the actual hardware. So we are briefly testing out the camera, and I will put the results on the screen right now for you guys to see. Now I really look forward to seeing how this camera compares to my new secret weapon, the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So stay tuned for that. So there you have it guys, that was my unboxing and first look of the brand new Google Pixel 4. This product literally just got announced like an hour ago and I already have it in my hands and I can't wait to drop my full review, and that's coming soon. A camera test is also on its way. So stay tuned, like, subscribe, join the social channels. All the links will be in the description box below. Do let me know what you guys think of this color, oh so orange. I absolutely love the finish. It feels really nice. The phone itself is very snappy in operation, as expected from the Snapdragon 855. I will leave the specs in the description box below, along with the relevant links for this product. I hope you guys found this video useful. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you all have a brilliant day. See you guys in the next one.